She waits to hear his voice in the middle of the night, as the skies above are putting up a fight, holding on tight to all her pain, praying someday she will be the same again. In her heart she wants him so, never will she let these feelings for him go. Of all the times she felt this fake feeling, he has become her heart's most appealing. Deep in her eyes, she yearns to have him close to her. This time she hopes she is sure. Dreaming of what they were, tantalizes her fantasy, whispers in her mind, reminding her, telling herself he's the only one for me. The tears that stream down her face fall in the memory of his sweet embrace. Outside, the rain falls on her chest as she lays down the dream of them together forever to rest. Listen closely, the rain, this is the release of her deepest pain. The sound of rain has drove her heart insane. This time while she is in pain, he will hear the sound of rain.